That's me.
What's up guys? So in today's video, I am in a brand new location. I'm currently in Oceanside, California, and I'm in an Airbnb currently, and today we are going to be doing a like beach get ready with me type of video. So today I'm going to be doing a beach get ready with me because we're going to go to the beach. It is the first day being here. Basically every day is going to be a beach get ready with me, but the makeup look that I'm going to be doing today I think is just going to be the makeup look that I'm going to do every single day that I am here. So yeah, I'm really excited to get ready. I'm super excited for all my outfits. I'm so excited for you guys to see all my looks. If you guys are not already following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram so you guys can see all the looks that I came up with. I'm so pumped for this trip. I really am, and I'm going to be like vlogging. It is currently 4:40 and I'm praying that we literally like just get done before 6, which I honestly think I will get ready before 6. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly go in and like triple moisturize my face because whenever I'm in a new state, my skin just like literally freaks out. So I'm going to be triple moisturizing my face today. I have this new moisturizer that I want to share with you guys that I'm super excited to show you guys. So before we get on to the rest of this video, we do have a sponsor for today's video and I'm super excited. Today we are working with Scentbird. So basically Scentbird is a monthly subscription where it gives you the opportunity to test over 600 different fragrances, makeup, wellness, skincare type of products. It lets you choose a designer fragrance every month for only $15. Each little fragrance vial I'm going to show you guys come with a 30-day supply of perfume. If you guys are a loyal subscriber, then you guys know that I have worked with Scentbird many times in the past. I love them. I have so many of their perfumes. Before I even ever became like a YouTuber, I got their subscription with my own money, but I got 3 different ones this month. So I'm going to go through and show you guys all of them. They're really simple and just convenient, especially because I'm on vacation. This was perfect. I literally brought my Scentbird perfumes with me just so I didn't have to bring like a full-size perfume along with me. So they come in these cute little like twisty little vials. You go like that. You pop it out, see what fragrance it is. You can see how much product is literally in that. It's insane. Cute little thing. You just pop it in, twist it back down, throw it in your purse. So you just, you know, squirt it all over yourself. Scentbird partners with a lot of different high-end brands like Prada, Gucci, Tom Ford. They also have like some more like indie brands like Glossier, Nest, and Toka, which Toka is personally my favorite. I had that the last time that I did like a sponsor with them, and I actually ended up buying the full-size perfume of it. I was so freaking obsessed with it. Scentbird recently came up with an option where you guys can choose makeup and skincare products, so they have a bunch of different brands on there that you guys can choose from. So like I said, I got 3 little perfumes this month. The ones that I got was Gucci Guilty, which is what I really wanted, and Lizzie has this perfume. She's totally obsessed with it, and so I wanted to like try it out for myself. I got this Carnair Barcelona Besos type perfume, and then this one, which is the Confessions of a Rebel About Last Night. Out of all 3, my favorite ones are definitely the Gucci one and the Confessions of a Rebel. If you guys use my coupon code baddie30, you guys are going to receive 30% off of your order, which makes the order instead of $15 only $10. It's literally insane. I definitely recommend you guys go click the link in the description box down below. They also sent me like a little skincare product recently have been using, and I actually really like. It is this high expectations cannabis facial oil. So it's just another like kind of moisturizer for your face. So in the video I'm also going to be using this as well. I really like it because it comes with like a little like dropper. It's just like really sick. Okay you guys, so yeah, let's just get on to the rest of this video. I'm gonna start with my high expectations cannabis facial oil because I am in a different state right now, as you guys know by my location. Yeah, whenever I go to a new state, my skin literally freaks out. Like it has no moisture to it. It's literally insane. So I'm just going to be taking that. I already put regular moisturizer on my face, but like I said, I like to double and triple moisturize, especially when I go on vacation, just to ensure that my skin doesn't flake. Because if my skin flakes today, I'm gonna be so freaking annoyed. I'm currently on my period, you guys, and it's literally so tragic. And Kelly also started hers today, so really feel bad for her, but also really happy that I don't have to go through this by myself. Like yesterday, I literally got it. I wasn't supposed to get it until Saturday. Today is currently Friday, so I guess it's kind of good that I got it yesterday on Thursday, so I'm on technically sort of like my second day. But yeah, if I would have got it Saturday, I probably would have actually like stabbed myself, maybe sort of, kind of, I don't really know. Okay guys, I'm also going to go in with this e.l.f. hydrating primer mist. Again, just the third step, just to make my skin really, really hydrated. I honestly don't even know if this stuff does anything, but like it kind of convinces me that it does do something, so we're just gonna like act like it does do something. So I have a new foundation that I really do want to try in this video, but I'm not sure like if it's gonna match me, so we might be mixing two different foundations, but I'm letting that hydrating mist stick in my face, and then I'm gonna be going in with my Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. I just literally love this primer. If you are looking for a good drugstore primer, I highly, highly, highly recommend this. I've gone through like 2 to 3 tubes of this. I love it. It just really does make my skin feel baby freaking smooth. Like if you want your face to feel like a baby's butt, I highly, highly recommend this. The foundation that we're gonna go in with is this Il Maquillage foundation in 9.5. I've never used this before, so I really hope that it is like good and it doesn't like work weird. And then my Too Faced Born This Way, this is always like my tan foundation. I might just honestly do that if I don't want to do this. I have to see how dark this one is. I really want to try and do these little glitter drops that I have. I brought them along. I've never used them before, and I've had them for quite a while. Also, Kelly put these clips in my hair, so if they look stupid, don't blame me. So far, the combination of all of those moisturizers on my face have been making my face look pretty freaking good. It's like come through 9,000 moisturizers that I just used on my face. You guys, I'm literally so excited just for this trip. I'm so excited to wake up tomorrow. We are literally like on the beach. Like it's our little place, and then you walk to the beach. It will take me a 1 minute to get to the beach from my place. It's literally so amazing. Okay, so now we're gonna go with concealer. I love being tan because this is my favorite concealer ever. This is Pony Effect Seal Pro Fit Liquid Concealer. I get it from this website called Yes Style. I get like monthly $500 worth of boxes from them. It's literally insane. But yeah, I love their website, and I always spend $500 like monthly. So I do have like a coupon code and all that stuff, and like I'll link it in the description box down below if somebody is interested in it. But I'm just going to apply concealer. Like it works so well, and I love being tan because it's like my tan shade. I can't use it whenever I'm super, super pale. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go in and we're gonna set my face and all that stuff. I'm gonna be going in with this Maybelline Fit Me 10 powder. I literally love this powder for whenever I am tan. I think it's because there is color into it, and so it kind of just adds like a little bit more coverage. I also have a mirror right here, so if I keep looking down, I have like a big mirror so I can see what the heck I'm doing. So I'm just gonna set underneath my eyeballs. I literally hate doing my hair. Does anyone else like have that? I feel like a lot of girls like actually enjoy like doing their hair and like having their hair be done, and I like hate every second of it. Okay guys, the camera like stopped and I really don't know where the heck I left off on, but what the fuck was I just saying actually? But now we're going to go in with bronzer to make us like a bronze goddess because we're going to the beach. We already put glow drops. We want to be like very just cute. So I'm gonna go in with this little brush, and then the first bronzer that I'm gonna be going in with, I was gonna do cream contour, but I decided not to. My just little MAC powder, and I'm just going to put it on my cheekbones. I'm also gonna be going in with a different bronzer after I am done using this one. There's this one that I really, really want to use that I haven't used yet, but maybe I will use it right now actually instead of using this one. I'm just kind of scared to use it because it looks really, really dark. Extremely dark kind of bronzer, and I don't know if it's gonna work. It looks like this. It's from the same brand of the foundation company. It looks like this. I'm just like so scared. Yeah, she's like dark, but I guess we'll make it work. We want to be like a dark bronze goddess, so I guess we have to. Okay guys, so I think that's it for that bronzer. It really did add like a lot of color to me, but it kind of, I feel like, made me look insane. I'm gonna be going with this really, really fluffy brush, and I'm just going to bring it down my neck, like since we did bring it. Oh shit, I actually made a brush mark. We're just going to freaking bake this hoe, and then I just like drag it down a little bit, but a sharp line to your mouth. I'm just going to be using just my Morphe palette. Nothing really that interesting. I'm just gonna come up with like just a random brown, just little like look. Guys, because I'm on the beach right now, and like I can hear like the water and all that stuff, like all I literally want is seafood. like all we ate today was this morning around like 9. I have it in like my vlog from today that I'm doing. But yeah, it's currently, what time is it, like 4 or something like that? It's like 5, and so it's been a while since we've ate. I'm literally starving. I also have a headache, and because I'm on my period, I've already said that. But I feel like I have to repeat myself because I never know what I cut out of videos, you feel? Okay, you guys, so my camera literally died, so I had to charge it for a little bit, and we had to go to CVS because Kelly forgot lashes. But I'm gonna be doing my eyeshadow. I waited. I applied blush and highlighter. I'm going to be showing you guys the things that I used. I used this Il Maquillage blush in the shade Lady Marmalade. And so it just looks like this. And then I also used this new highlighter, this Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder that I've always had, but I just like never use. But I'm gonna do eyeshadow now. I just really want to do like a very basic, simple brownish eye because I don't know what I want to take a picture in yet. I have like 8 or 9 different like normal outfits, and I have a bunch of swimsuit outfits. Yes, I did bring a bunch of outfits because I want to take a bunch of different pictures while I'm here because there's a bunch of different locations. And yeah, I need to step up my Instagram game. Like in Arizona, it's really hard. So if I don't have a picture and post it in Arizona, then I'll be able to post these pictures. So yeah, I'm trying to like plan out my Instagram feed basically for a whole entire month. Okay, that looks good. Then the next color that I'm going to be using is, I don't know. Yeah, I'm literally just gonna mix some browns, honestly. I just add a bunch of brown colors and hope for the best. Guys, I'm literally starving. Like, I think my stomach is eating itself. Like, my stomach hurts, but like we don't want to eat until like we're ready, so we can just be freaking ready. Also, I'm trying to like do this really quick because I just don't really want to be doing my makeup anymore. I just want to get ready. I want to get ready already and just go on about my day. Like, I want to walk around, you feel? So I'm trying to do my eyeshadow kind of ish quick. Honestly, you've probably seen me do this eyeshadow look a million times because this is typically like my go-to eyeshadow look. I just grab a bunch of different browns and shove them into my eye. Okay guys, so I think that's pretty good for that. The sun's starting to come out again, thankfully. I kind of thought the sun was gonna go down and it was making me a little nervous. So I think we're done for like the crease color. I really like it here because the sun doesn't set until 8 p.m. and like in Arizona the sun sets at like 7:30, so it just gives us like a 30-minute window that just really helps my life. Now we gotta do like the lid color, which I'm just going to do like this little champagne color in the palette that has like no eyeshadow left like at all. I'm using the literal last bottom of like the pan part of it. I just wanted to make my eyeshadow look really simple just because I don't know what I'm wearing. Okay you guys, so I'm just gonna take the same crease colors that are in my eyes just underneath my eyes as well, just to tie in the simplicity of the look. So I'm gonna apply my lashes and mascara off camera. You guys already know I have to do this, and then we'll come back, do the lips and then the final touches and see the final product and all that stuff, you guys. So the lashes and mascara are on. Am I even in focus? I think so. So now I'm gonna go on and we're gonna do some nose highlight. People get grossed out when I do this, but it's literally my face, I don't care. I'm just going to get the nose because that's really important. And then the bridge of the nose, inner corners. The outer corner of my lash is literally hurting me so bad. So there's that. Now we're gonna go on to the lips to finish off the look. I'm going to go in with a Q-tip and just take off all the product that's around my lips. Okay guys, so now we're gonna line our lips and put on our thing. I'm gonna line my lips with MAC's Boldly Bare lip pencil, which is just a nude because I'm not really sure what exactly I want to do yet. I was gonna do like a liquid lipstick, but honestly my lips are way too dry right now. So I'm just going to go in with the Too Faced Lip Injection, a little lip gloss, and I'm just going to apply that onto my lips. And then lastly, I'm going to go in with my Laneige Grapefruit Lip Balm. which is also from the Asian website that I use all the time. So on top, it's just some more of like a gloss, and that's basically the lips. The last step for us to do is to apply my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray Mist, and then bitch, we are ready for our beach pictures. Literally, this is the best setting mist ever. If you do not have it, I highly recommend it. It's the only setting mist that I actually think works. Okay guys, so we're going to take my clips down now to get the final look. Ow, that clip literally was kind of stuck in my tape and extension. But yeah, you guys, that is basically it for the finished look. It is super cute. I'm definitely going to be wearing this look through the whole entire beach vacation. It's gonna go with every single one of my outfits. It's just a neutral, everyday, simple look. So if you guys like my makeup and any of the pictures that I'm gonna be posting for a while, this is the makeup look that I'm doing, and I'll definitely let you guys know on my Instagram. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to do some more get ready with me's, and if you guys do, let me know if you guys have any like specific topics, like if you guys want me to do like a night out one, or like a brunch one, or you know, like something that it's like a theme. This is revolved around like beach day, and so I think this is like a beach day get ready with me. But like, let me know if you guys like themes to them. Make sure you guys also check out Scentbird if you guys are interested. I highly recommend it. It's just a really great way to try out a bunch of different perfumes. I'm one of those people where I don't like the same scent, and I get really bored easily, and so I have to switch up my life a lot, meaning that I have to switch up my scent a lot. And so I have honestly probably like 15 or 16 like Scentbird perfumes like at my house. It's insane, but I literally love Scentbird so much. Make sure you guys use my coupon code baddie30 for 30% off of your guys' order, which makes your first purchase only $10 freaking. Like, instead of going to McDonald's and spending $10, just literally save your money and get a perfume, and you will smell so amazing, and your body will love you later for like, you know, like not ordering McDonald's. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you guys are new to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the little bell so you guys will be notified when I post a video. I'm filming a lot in California right now. I have a lot of videos coming out for you guys, and I'm super excited. I've been planning my whole entire like July calendar, so be excited for that. Make sure you guys have the little bell turned on so you guys will be notified and will not miss when I upload. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat so you guys can see what I'm doing when I'm not posting a video. It is July, and I am trying to do a bunch of trips or do like fun things throughout the month of July. So if you guys want to see what I'm up to, make sure you definitely follow me on my social media. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.